Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how I achieve a flawless soft matte complexion using my Revlon Colourstay. All right, so I do the first routine, scrub or cleanse, uh, toner, moisturizer. All right. And before we start the tutorial, I just want you to look at that pimple that just cropped out of nowhere in the last 4 days. So now it's completely gone. Now this is, the scar that's left, the dark spot that is left, and we're going to be dealing with that. But the pimple itself is already gone. Like I showed you, I think it started to dry out on day 2, 3, thereabouts. All right, but we're going to deal with it because when I then put my makeup, you will not be able to see it at all. All right, so after doing the wash routine, I then put on my primer, and I will show you the brand that I use for my primer. So I just put a small amount. All right, on the palm of my hand, and then I put just a little here. So when I apply my primer, I make sure that it's total coverage, okay? I cover all the parts of my face, but I also make sure that I don't put too much. So this primer is one of my secret products that I use to achieve the matte finish. So if you get a very good primer, you're going to see that you will never struggle with wearing makeup ever again. You will not struggle. And I've actually seen that even if you don't have a very good brand of foundation, if the primer itself is good, it will actually help, to cover a lot of things. As you can see, my face is already starting to look matte-ish. All right. Okay, so after putting my primer, I then go on to take my foundation. This is the Colourstay from Revlon, and I use this foundation blender. And the other secret to achieving flawless matte finish is I wet it a bit on the area that I use to put my foundation, and then there we go. So this is just the amount that I use, and I just go like that, and then I start to apply the whole face. All right, so I I've just finished blending in all the foundation that I had, and this is the outcome. As you can see, this is a flawless matte complexion. All right, it looks very nice, very, very nice, and I like it. So I hope you've got the secret parts. Number one is the primer. Number two is the blender. I wet it a bit and then I go on to put my foundation. Sometimes I don't even put my foundation. After the primer, I just go on to put my face powder. So it depends with how much time I have on my hands. So when I have time, I really sit down and do the whole foundation thing. And then I go on to do the eyebrows and everything else. But for today, I hope you're happy, because I'm also happy with the final finished product. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, I urge you to subscribe. You can also like and share far and wide. If you want to be notified when I post another video, please be sure to hit the notification button, and you'll be notified when I put in another video. This is all for today. See you later.